The Q2 from Qidi Tech arrived at our warehouse last week, giving us a chance to check it out ahead of its release. In this short preview, we'll walk through the specs and what's new. The Q2 offers a 270 by 270 by 256mm build volume. It features zero offset auto leveling for consistent first layers, and a second gen active chamber that heats up to 65 degrees Celsius. Now they've upgraded the X-axis to a linear rail, while the Z-axis uses dual independent lead screw motors supported by 10mm linear shafts and screws for stability. Up top, there's an improved glass panel and a lined interior to protect the PTFE tubing from rubbing against the frame. The toolhead for the Q2 has also been redesigned. With the cover off, you can see it's a sturdier and cleaner layout. There's a lot to talk about here, so we're going to cover it in a separate video. Even the spool holder has been updated, making filament feeding a lot smoother. This is not a major update, but it's a nice attention to detail. The side windows are a great addition. It's not going to make you print any faster, but they sure look cool. One of the major improvements that we've seen in this printer has been the door hinges. This is a huge problem in previous versions, and now they're extremely solid. Let's show you exactly how solid they are, and please do not try this at home. There's a lot more features to go over, but we're going to be spending more time with the Q2 and putting it through longer tests soon. If there's something specific you'd like to see in the next video, drop your questions or ideas in the comments below. And if you want to catch the full breakdown when it's ready, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you guys next time.